This is a very comfortable and easy to make beret. Even to beginners to knit. I used circle needles 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 8 markers and yarn. Cast on 70 stitches. Knit 8 rows by wrapped, 1 knit, 1 purl. Continue to knit by ribbit with needles 5 millimeter. And hand the marker after every 10 stitches. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the marker, and continue 10 stitches and hand the marker, and continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, marker. It looks like this. Next row, work all stitches. Knit, adding 1 before the marker. Before the marker, take from here and knit from front marker and continue all stitches knit, all stitches knit, add 1 before the marker, take from here, knit 1 from front and continue. Next row, work all stitches knit without adding. All knit. Next row, work all stitches knit without adding. All knit. Continue all knit without adding. In this way, work 14 rows, 1 with adding, 1 without adding. It looks like this. Now work 4 rows without adding. 4 rows. Next row, we need 2 stitches together after the marker. 2 stitches together. We make decrease in every second row. One row with decrease after marker and one row without. Continue until 7 stitches and it's look like this. And so remove all stitches and that's all. My beret is ready. Good luck.